Hey guys, welcome to Mystery Happening YouTube channel, where all unsolved mysteries are spoken about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more videos. Enjoy.
Ain't much to try to add D though. His shit bushing. I ain't gonna care. I got a bitch with a booty. She threw it back in the days. Let's do it.
Hey, Migo, this on name D-Dog. This is still doing.
Oh man, I'm thinking he on his shit. What you got going?
Shit. What I was finna say, I sent you some on D-Dog page. Go look at it.
Alright, I'm finna look at that.
Alright, send them up.
Alright, bet love.
Love.
Go poppin'.
Hey. Hey.
What's up? What you got going?
She chilling this Mississippi from Mississippi motherfucking City.
From the ship. Shout out Mississippi.
I just seen you. Somebody had posted you that boy Montana Esco post you in Jackson. You had pulled up in Jackson.
Yeah, I've been in Jackson all month. Where you in at?
I'm from the country. I'm a country girl. I just be
Come
on
to the
social
city.
media.
Fuck all that. Come to the city.
Come where?
Let him come to the
Come
city.
to Dallas. Have a show down here.
You said what?
He like he a
come to
country.
Dallas.
He ain't coming to no city. He a country nigga.
Are you a country
I was
nigga?
in Dallas last week. Where the fuck was you?
I
Yeah,
don't
they
even
like
know.
it.
You my favorite rapper on God.
Man, you cap because
They like them. They like them country.
If I was your favorite rapper, you would have knew I was in Dallas, and you would have knew that.
Nah.
You would have knew that was
Don't
a
do
motherfucker.
that. Don't do that. Don't do
Look,
that.
she capping. She
I ain't
capping. She
capping.
capping.
I ain't got a cap.
She
The nigga,
capping.
my nigga on God.
Bye bye. Look,
No, she might not be
I'm
capping
just
though.
playing. I'm just playing. I'm just talking shit.
Nah, that's my nigga. On God, I fucks for all your music.
Love, appreciate
Me
it.
too. Look, I have him on my Pandora thing at work when I be working. I mean at work. Him and Young Dolph just be playing. I be so
Huh?
turned up at work. I work at Nissan. So
Lil migo really that nigga though. He the hottest rapper on
look,
God.
it be him playing Young Dolph and what's his name? Glock, Key Glock, whatever his name.
I would have bitch back in the day. Cardiac, Yellow Zan called the school bus. Think of loud, think the new coming. Smoking loud, nigga got the munch. That's the way to when the food coming. I'm VIP with a bad bitch. Told her to get on me, her dude coming. You ain't give me no food. I'm tired of it. Okay. Smoke a loud, nigga got the munch. That's the way to when the food coming. I'm VIP with a bad bitch. Hey, word of advice, all fans should just be fans. It don't matter who y'all fuck with. Y'all got like both people music. Y'all don't gotta pick no sides. I don't give a fuck who y'all say better, think better, or whatever. These niggas were piss poor before they had any type of music in their life. Remember, we all from the same city. And I know that for a fact these niggas weren't having shit. So, therefore, you can't compare no nigga to me. They want to fuck with me from the jump before rap. And they been rapping 10 plus years. I only been rapping 3 years and I'm killing this shit. Fuck, nigga. Ask a nigga how long they been signed. 10 plus years, nigga, since fucking 2012, 2013, nigga. I wasn't thinking about rapping, nigga. These niggas were rapping since 2015, 2014, 2013. Y'all been saying these niggas. I only been doing this shit 2 fucking years, nigga. I know I make you niggas mad, man. That's why you hate, man. Do this shit in 2 years, too fast, man. 2 years and too fast, man. You niggas been rapping 10 plus years. Of course y'all supposed to be ahead of me. Of course y'all supposed to have millions of views. Of course y'all supposed to be further. But how the fuck I do this shit in 2 years? Having all this shit, nigga. Y'all niggas ain't fucking with me, man. I swear to God, stop it, nigga. These niggas can't fuck with a picture or fuck with a comment of me, nigga. These niggas ain't seeing me, nigga. It's over with. Go get some fucking goggles, nigga. Shit over with, nigga. I stamping, nigga. CMG heavy count, nigga. I said, nigga, now nigga fucking with me, nigga. 2 years in this shit. Having more than any nigga that been in this shit. Long as a motherfucker. These niggas been rapping 10 plus years. Ain't did shit. Ain't got nowhere, man. These niggas supposed to be ahead of me. Fuck, nigga. I been doing this shit 2 years, nigga. They gotta make this shit look easy, nigga. I'm balling for season, nigga. Stop it.
Hey guys, welcome to Mystery Happening. Thanks for watching. YouTube channel, Mystery Where Happening. All unsolved mysteries are spoken about. The show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more videos.